pause. The world is about to tell you something important, not with words, not with noise, but with silence. There's a sound that's always there. You rarely notice it. It's too soft, too subtle. But when you listen, really listen, you begin to hear the world in a completely different way. Silence is not the absence of sound. It's a different kind of presence. It slows you down. It brings you back. It opens something inside you that noise often hides. Right now, wherever you are, just stop. Take a deep breath in and gently close your eyes. Let the outer world blur for a moment. Now listen. What's the quietest sound you can hear? A distant hum, the rustle of leaves, the rhythm of your own breath. Let yourself notice it without chasing it, without analyzing. Just be with it. The longer you stay with that quiet sound, the more your thoughts begin to soften. Tension starts to melt, and you might notice something new. A space inside you that feels still, open, and real. This is not just a moment of rest. It's a moment of return to presence, to clarity, to yourself. You don't need special conditions. You can do this anywhere. In your kitchen, on a walk, in a crowded train. All you need is the willingness to pause and listen. Try it for a few seconds. Try it again tomorrow. Make it a habit, even a small one. The world is always speaking to you, and sometimes the most important messages come through silence. Want to keep going? Subscribe. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.